Welcome Top 5 Best Review. Number 1. Bosch GCM12 SD 15A 12-inch corded dual bevel sliding glide miter saw with 60-tooth saw blade. Amazon's choice in power miter saws by Bosch axial glide system. Patented glide system allows wider crosscuts and better alignment while also being compact, saving you 12 inches of valuable workspace capacity, expanded cutting capacity, 14-inch horizontal capacity, nominal 6.5-inch vertical capacity against the fence base, 6.5-inch crown capacity against the fence, 45 spring adjustable. Provides easy adjustments with a large, easy-to-read uniform bevel and stainless steel miter scales with marked detents and roof pitch angles. Bevel detents, 0, 33.9 degree, 45 degree left-right for accurate cuts. Categories: best 90% dust collection, optimized for cutting 2x material with a vacuum precision. Square lock quick release fences, lock fence 90 degree to the table and requires no adjustment. One touch lock, unlock to slide fence for added support, ease of use. Up front bevel controls all metal bevel lock lever and range selector located up front for quick and easy bevel settings without reaching behind the saw. Includes miter saw, 1 2-inch 60-tooth carbide tip blade, 1 wrench, 1 toolless vertical work clamp, 1 dust bag and a vacuum adapter. Elbow high precision square lock quick release fence aligns fence 90 degrees to saw's table and requires no adjustment. 1 touch lock, unlock to slide fence for added support. Versatile saw with a 14-inch expanded horizontal cutting capacity, 6-1/2-inch vertical capacity, and a 6-1/2-inch crown capacity, 45 degree spring. This miter saw is perfect for any variety of cuts. Adjustable, the saw provides easy adjustments with a large easy-to-read uniform bevel and stainless steel miter scales with marked detents and roof pitch angles. Description: the 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw features the smooth cutting motion, accurate performance and space-saving design of Bosch patented axial glide system. Number 2. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw, 15A, single bevel, compound DWS 715, details product details brand DeWalt color black blade material stainless steel power source corded electric special feature brushless included components DWS 715 single bevel compound miter saw, 12 carbide tip blade, wrench, dust bag, vertical clamp stainless steel miter detent plate of 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 14 positive stops. The miter saw features the precise miter system and machine base fence support. Tall sliding fence of DeWalt miter saw supports 5-1/2-inch base vertically bevels 0 degree 48 degree to the left and 0 degree 3 degree to the right. Tool height 15-inch 2-inch x 8-inch dimensional lumber crosscut capacity at 90 degree and 2-inch x 6-inch dimensional lumber at 45 degree. The 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor to drive 4,000 revolutions per minute, delivering extended power and durability. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate and cam miter lock that provide repeatable accuracy and durability with easy adjustments. Tall sliding fences support 5-1/2-inch of base molding vertically and 5-1/2-inch of crown molding vertically nested. Its lightweight design and built-in carry handle are ideal for portability. Number 3. Craftsman V2711 sliding miter saw kit, cordless CMCS714M1, powerful motor, 3800 RPM motor of Craftsman miter saw is made for cutting 2x dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard and trim with ease slide capabilities. The miter saw has 8-inch crosscut at 90° and 5-1/2-inch crosscut at 45° added capacity. The sliding miter saw cuts 3-5/8-inch nested crowns and 3-1/2-inch baseboards. Vertically accuracy and visibility, LED cut line positioning system quick and ACCRUATE, 9 casted miter detent stops for adjustment single charge. Number 4. 4.4 out of 5 stars, 252 reviews. Makita LS0815F slide compound miter saw brand Makita color factory blade material high-speed steel power source corded electric special feature brake included components Makita 8-1/2 slide compound miter saw LED light LS0815F compact and lightweight design for job site portability powerful 10.5 AMP direct drive motor requires less maintenance and delivers 5000 RPM miters 0 to 50 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, with positive stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, 45 and 50 degrees, left and right plus 60 degrees right, compact and lightweight, 31.1 pounds, for job site portability cuts up to 12. At 90 degrees and 8-1/2. At 45 degrees Makita LS0815F slide compound miter saw LS0815F compact and lightweight design for job site portability powerful 10.5 AMP direct drive motor requires. Number 5. Metabo HPT12-inch compound miter saw, laser marker system, double bevel, 15-amp motor, tall pivoting aluminum fence. 5-year warranty. C12FDHS, brand Metabo HPT blade material high-speed steel surface recommendation wood power source battery powered special feature brushless included components C12FDHS miter saw, 1232 TTCT saw blade, dust bag, vice assembly, box wrench, hex bar wrench motor, powerful 15-amp motor with 1950 W of output power smoothly powers through hardwoods with ease miter scale ranges from 0 to 52 degrees, both to the right and left, for a broader range of cuts fence, tall, pivoting aluminum fence that stands at a height of 5-1/8 and allows crown molding to be cut vertically micro bevel.